Hey everybody, how's it going? So, doing a video. I haven't done a video in a while. I've been just super crazy busy at work. My boss is on holidays again, so that means I'm doing my job and his job. So I'm stuck in the office for like 9 hours a day, which really sucks. Um, the Anyway, so I picked this up a little while ago. Been meaning to do a video, but I just haven't had a chance, and I haven't even had a chance to open the package. I had one before. I don't know whatever happened to it. So if you weld anything, or even like cleaning stuff up, say you want to undercoat the bottom of your car, and you got to get rid of all the rust. A good thing to use is a needle scaler. I have one of those. You know, a wire brush, whatever you can. And so that's what this is about. It's a wire brush. I mean, everybody's seen one of those. That's nothing new. But this is a wire brush attachment, reciprocating saw, brush, and scraper set. So I'll open this up. And what it does, it just hooks onto your reciprocating saw, sawzall, whatever you want to call it. That's what it does. I've heard people call them sawzall, sawzall. I don't know. I've heard people call these the weirdest things. Let's open this up. Anyway, first of all, before we open it, let's look at the package here. It's made by Vaper, product 22045, that's the number, 2-piece, reciprocating saw, brush, and scraper set, wood, metal, brick, concrete, and stone, brush away rust, dirt, peeling, paint, and minor imperfections, scrape away metal, stone, tile, and wood. Blah, 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 says the same thing on the back. I'm guessing made in China. China. It's a Vaper product. It's made by Titan. I have a bunch of Titan tools, so I imagine Vaper is just some sort of subdivision of their company. I have no idea. Let's slice open this horrible plastic packaging of death. And I don't say horrible plastic packaging of death like as in I'm concerned about the environment. I am, don't get me wrong, but I mean of death because it'll slice you open. Sharper than a knife blade. Stuff is horrible. I've lost more blood to this stuff than I ever have any knife. Put that over there. There. So this is your little scraper, dude. It's kind of like a little chisel. This would be great for if you removing, say, vinyl tiling off the floor or something. So there you go. So what I do, your saw may differ. Mine just has a lever on the side to lift, release the blade. Let's put the scraper in here first. I could see that being handy. Oh, watch it there. That's okay, I gotta clean up my workbench anyway. So yeah, it will take a chip out of things and it'll also scrape them. So that's handy. I didn't really buy it for this, but I can see that being handy. Wintertime, go out and clear the ice off your driveway. Might take you a while. Anyway, let's get to the nitty gritty. When you're changing blades, you should always remove the battery too, just because don't be like me. Don't be like Bruce. So let's put this one in there. Same thing. Lock. It's one thing I love about the Ryobi reciprocating saw. I rarely use this thing. I don't use any reciprocating saws, but I do like that it's toolless to change the blade. So one thing I see right away is it hits the shoe. I don't even know how difficult it is to remove the shoe on this thing. Oh, there it is. There's a bolt right there. Let's just see, in case you guys have to do it. Let's see if this makes a difference. Let's take the blade out. There's an Allen key on the side here. Let's see if I can remove the shoe this way. Oh, look at that. Fabulous. I wondered what the key was on there for. Let's just take that out for now. Probably tighten that back up a little bit so it doesn't fall out. Is it just a grub screw? It is. We'll just snug that up. And we're golden. That looks kind of lewd. I don't know why. It just does. Like a naked saw or something. Okay. So I've got a little piece of exhaust pipe set up here in the device that's been welded at various angles and various stuff. I was showing someone how to weld. Not to say I'm blaming this on them. Half of those are mine. So enough said about that. So rather than taking this and scraping, like this doesn't have really any flux on it because these are MIG welds. I haven't done any stick welding in a while, so I don't really have anything to show you with that. You know what a good thing to do would be to put on some safety glasses. Well, I don't have any near me. Again, don't be like me. Let's see. Let's find something that's dirty on here to where you'll actually see a difference. Like, look at that. There's that gross bit in there. Let's see if we can clean that up some. No, I've already cut myself. Can't do anything with sheet metal without cutting yourself, can you? Let's bring that over here. There we go. Let's see how we can clean that up a little bit. Yeah, that's going to bleed later. That worked pretty good. That worked really good. I'm impressed. I mean, you're not going to use this for every little thing you weld, but if you're welding a bunch of stuff, and I might say this is also probably pretty good for pre-welding, for cleaning up the area you're about to weld. It works great. I like it. My little nut on the end of my vise bar keeps coming loose. I should just tack weld that on there, but I don't know. It's been coming loose for about 20 years now, so I think I'll just probably leave it. There we go. What you're looking at is just this shiny bit there. It's my finger. See the little nick there? Right there. That's probably going to bleed later. There we go. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, I'm going to be building something later, so that's kind of why I wanted it. There's going to be a lot of welds. I will be stick welding. It's a project at a friend's place, so I thought this would come in handy. We're building kind of a, I don't know, it's not building, it's repairing a bunch of corrals and stuff, so it'll come in handy. Yeah, so I recommend it. It was cheap. I mean, I picked this up at Princess Auto. I'm not sure. You can probably order it online. There's probably variations of them all over, so I won't even post a link or anything because you can find it. Just search reciprocating saw, wire brush, and clean up the vise here. This thing is great. I like this a lot. I can see a lot more uses for this than just welding. So anyway, if you got any questions or comments, concerns, suggestions, want to just send money, just leave your comment down below. I'll answer it to the best of my ability. Like I say, I like it. I mean, it's a short-term review. I can't say how long it's going to last, but it's thicker than a saw blade, so it's not going to break that way. One of my plans is to make a paint shaker for this thing too. I should have bought another one of these and used this as the foundation for it, and then just cut that off somehow. And I'll figure something out. I'll make a video of it. You guys will see. So let's put that back. Anyway, I don't need to do all this on camera. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and of course comment, as I said before. Have a great day. Take it easy. Stay safe. Stay warm. Bye.